channel. So today's video is going to be all about these boho locks that I received from Ywigs. This is their Crochet Boho Loc in 22 inches in deep wave. So I'm going to show you guys a quick tutorial on how I achieved this look, and all the information about this hair will be listed in the description box below. So make sure to check that out. Let's get into this video. So this is how the package arrived in the Ywigs bag, and I believe it came with the crochet tool as well as 3 bundles of this crochet hair. Now these are the crochet locks with the human hair pieces, and these pieces were, the human hair pieces were so soft, and this is in 22 inches, so it's a little bit long. So let's talk about the method that I'm doing. I'm doing the invisible, I don't know if it's called the invisible part method or the invisible method, but this is my first time doing it. I don't even know if I did it right. I watched like this short tutorial. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and part my hair, braid down a little bit, and then part the next section. And then once I get the part for the next section, I'm going to start braiding. I think I braided like 1 or 2 times, maybe 1 time, and then I added the piece of hair from that first section. And then I'm just going to go ahead and braid down a little bit, just like I did the first part. And you're just going to keep repeating this. So braid down a little bit and then go ahead and start your next braid of that last section. And then you're going to add in your piece, just like this. And it's kind of like when you're doing any kind of braid and you're adding in here, that's kind of what it's like added in the previous piece. So I went ahead and finished, and this is what it's looking like. And I just realized that I never showed you guys the back, but I kind of just did cornrows in the back and added the pieces from the front of my head. So you'll see, I'll eventually show when I show you guys the back of my head what it looks like. So now I'm just going to start with the crochet method. I'm going to take my crochet tool, I'm going to loop it onto the hook, and then I'm going to pull it through the underneath the braid. Once that's done, I'm going to loop it onto the crochet lock, and then I'm going to pull it through the little hole and then pull it all the way out. And this is what it should look like, and I'm just going to push the top down to the base. And I'm just going to keep repeating that in the front, and it kind of is a little bit hard to get the lock through the hole that they provided at the top. So you kind of have to like open it up a little bit to kind of get the lock to fit through. So everything is pretty much easy. It's just that was a little bit, the hole was a little bit smaller than the lock. So you kind of had to like widen it a little bit with your fingers. But this is a pretty easy method. I don't know if you guys saw my previous video when I did the boho knotless for the first time, and that took me like over 12 hours. So this is very much easier than doing that. This took, I would say, installing the crochet locks after doing the invisible method took me maybe like an hour and a half. And then I was also trying to figure out how to cover the hair in the back, because my hair is, as you guys can see right here, it is a little bit lighter than the rest of my hair. It's like blonder on the ends. So I could have gone with another bundle, so 4 in total, just to kind of really cover the blonde that was showing. So yes. But if your hair is black, I feel like it'll blend in perfectly, because it did blend in kind of perfectly. You couldn't really tell. And I mainly am going to be wearing my hair in like a half up, half down. So once those curls are, over top of the bottom half, then you won't really see it at all. But this is definitely an easy hairstyle to do, especially if you don't want to sit down for long periods of time trying to install the locks by themselves. This is definitely a good alternative. And again, everything about this hair will be listed in the description box below. And I believe this is with the hair fully installed. Like, look at these curls. Like, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. So in my opinion, these are way easier to install. Probably about like 2.5 hours just to put the braids, try and figure out the invisible parting method, and then put the braids back here. After that, the actual install to install these boho locks, I think probably took about like maybe like an hour and a half. So obviously this is way quicker than my previous hairstyle, which took me like 12 Took me over 12 hours. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.